Hi, this is Jerome from Camino Ways. Today the podcast is about the St. James Tower, the Paris Camino meeting point. Closed to the public for most part of its 500 years history, the St. James Tower in Paris, Tour Saint-Jacques, is the historic meeting point for pilgrims starting their Camino de Santiago journey from the French capital. If you are starting your Camino de Santiago from Paris soon, you will be one of the few lucky pilgrims able to visit the tower, since it is currently open to the public, on a temporary trial basis, until 15th September 2013. The 54-meter 16th century Tour Saint-Jacques, with its spectacular Gothic style topped with a statue of St. James on top, is all that's left of the Église Saint-Jacques de la Boucherie, St. James of the Butchery, built to honor St. James in the 18th century and unfortunately later destroyed. The tower underwent major restoration work from 2000 and 2009, and this year a local association has been granted permission to open the tower to visitors during the summer months, Friday to Sunday. A statue of St. James dominates the tower, also decorated with sculpted symbol of the four evangelists, the lion, bull, eagle, and man, gargoyles, and 18 statues of saints. The St. James Tower is located in a little garden with the same name on the 4th arrondissement in Paris, France, on Rue de Rivoli at Rue Nicolas Flamel, and from the top you can enjoy stunning panoramic views of the city. Saint-Jacques de la Boucherie and the Tour Saint-Jacques were the departing point of the Via Tauronensis, Paris and Tourway, of the Camino de Santiago and meeting point for many pilgrims heading to Santiago. From Paris, they would head south toward Orléans, then Tours, then Bordeaux region, and Saint-Jean-Pied-de-Port, at the foot of the Pyrenees, to continue on their journey joining pilgrims along the French way. Thank you, bye!